Hi, this is Anne. In this video, I'm going to guide you how to use our community platform. I use Circle software to build this platform. It's a new membership software that is less than a few years old, I guess, but is currently used by millions of people from different communities because of their user-friendly interface. I'm not really tech savvy. Basically, the software is like Legos to me. It allows me to create any space I want, like Forex space, crypto space, gold space, etc. And they call it like join our community here as a group space. I don't know why they call it space. Basically, this is the main menu. This is the sub menus. Alright, most of the features we have here in our community are pretty much self-explanatory. So in this video, I will explain some important features that you need to know. A lot of members ask me if this platform has an app so they can receive our alert via their app. Circle Company right now has only one app that is for iOS. If you're using an Apple device, you can search in the App Store Circle Communities and you can download their app and just log in using your login information to my community. The Circle Company said that they will start building their Android version in the first quarter of 2022. So as soon as they have it, I will let you know. As for right now, if you do not want to receive our alert here via email or you don't have iOS device, I can send you an access token to a Telegram app because we are still sending our alert to the Telegram app as well. So to do this, you need a Telegram app. It's an application like WhatsApp. And once you become a member, you just can send me a direct message to ask me for a token access. I'm trying to make everything automatic, but as for right now, if you want to get access to our Telegram group and channel, you have to ask me manually. I'm sorry for that, but we are working to integrate it automatically very soon. So if you want to get a token access, just send me an email, okay? Or private message me here, and I will send it to you usually within 24 hours or faster. Now, if you already feel comfortable receiving alert via email or iOS, you may not need a Telegram access because this alert that we are sending via Telegram are just the same what we already have here in the platform. Some members already left Telegram and just use the email only or iOS app to receive our alert. So it is not a must for you to have this and that. Whichever that makes you feel comfortable, you can use either of it, okay? So next, I want to show you how to set notification, because someone last time contacted me that he got a lot of notification from members saying hello from new members. When you set notification here, you can adjust which space or menus you want to get notification from. To do that, you just click on this bell icon and then click on the gear icon, and then you can adjust whatever space that you want to be notified with or the type of notification here, whether it is about your comment or replies to your comment. And if you want to receive, for example, you just trade Forex and gold only, so you just want to choose all new posts over here in iOS app for now and email, and then you choose never for crypto, for example, if you do not trade crypto. And you need to scroll more, guys, here because it is not until start here, but you need to scroll more with your mouse. So you see another space here, so you just can change. I was just showing this never as an example. So you see, you can change it all or never, or you just click never first, and then so you just choose one by one which one that you want to be notified, you know, so to make sure you are not getting too much notification from the community. When you are done, you just click save changes, okay? Now here's another thing. If you want to post a trade setup, let's say you want to share your analysis on Forex, so you go here to Forex ideas. And what you do is you click on the new post, and then you click on the image here, and you can either choose the embed link if you're using TradingView. For example, I don't use TradingView, so I will just choose upload and then choose file, and then click on the file I want to upload. Once it is uploaded, what you want to do, you want to click on the image and then choose this icon to make the picture bigger. Choose this one because that will make your picture clear for you and everyone to see. Alright, so I'm gonna show you an example here, like the one that Aznan posted, like this. So when you clicked on it, it's big and clear. Alright, I think that's about it. If you still have any question, you can post it in the conversation space around here, and you can tag me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And how to tag me, it's very easy. It's the same like any other application. You just type A and type my name and then it will appear, and that's it. So I will be notified by being tagged like this. And oh, don't forget to edit your profile. Adding a picture would be nice. You see, you can click your profile here, edit profile, so it won't be just A for N, for example. So you add your name instead of a nickname. Well, it is not a must, but I would suggest using your name so people can call you by name, and also your location. You can choose, for example, city and country, or just country. It's up to you, so we know where you're from. There are some other information you can add it here in your profile if you want to, but I would suggest you fill in at least these three: profile picture, your name, and also your location. Alright guys, I think that is all for today. Thanks again for joining StarseedFX community, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.